We've been coming here since January, and we've been taking apart an old broken dry stone wall and rebuilding it. And it's now getting on for 100 yards long. We've been coming in all weathers. Today it's misty, but we've had cold, frosty, sunny days. We've been able to look at the birds. We've seen kestrels, buzzards, all sorts here. We come here every fortnight. On alternate weeks, we go to the AONB Mendip headquarters at Charterhouse, where we've been clearing paths, bending benches, doing some painting, and generally helping them out as volunteers. They're also proud of the work they do for AONB, clearing paths, which we've had horse riders say thanks to us, and on one occasion we had a man with motor neurone disease in a all-terrain wheelchair, and he was actually able to get up the path he wanted to go up because they had cleared the path the previous week.